Happy morning, dear students. How are you? I know all of you are keeping well. Let us see. I have already given you the chapter of the quadratic equation and the one lecture of the linear equation. Now I would like to continue again the linear equation, and after completing the linear equation chapter, then I would like to start the arithmetic progression. And every day you will get the new lectures. Okay, now I am just giving you the basic concept of the linear equation again. Let us see how. Suppose if I am writing here 4 and this is plus 4. Plus 4 and plus 4, and if I am writing here on adding plus 4 and plus 4, it becomes plus 8. Whenever there is no sign before any number, suppose I am writing here 8, it means it is clear that it is plus 8. If I am writing here 7, it means it is plus 7. But if I want to say the minus 7, certainly I have to put a minus sign before that. Then only I will say this is negative 7 or minus 7. Now, the linear equation, now if minus 8 and minus 5 is there, and if I am going to write here on adding means minus 8 and minus 5 will be minus 13, because whenever you are getting the two minus sign, the number will be added and sign remain unchanged. Hence the answer is minus 13. Clear? Now, if I am writing here plus 7 and plus 7, and if I am writing here on adding, the plus 7 becomes plus 14, and I will write here on adding. Now suppose if I want to cancel these numbers, plus 7 and plus 7, so what I have to do here, I have to write on subtracting. Then subtracting means you will change the sign here, minus 7. So plus 7 minus 7 will get cancelled, because here you are writing on subtracting. On subtracting means you will change the sign here. If I am writing here 8 and here 8, and if I want to cancel them, then I will write here on subtracting. This plus sign becomes minus sign and it will cancel. So somebody will ask me, sir, if minus 8 and minus 8 is there, then what will happen? Minus 8 and minus 8. And if I want to cancel them, then I will write here on subtracting, and this minus sign becomes plus, and this both term will get cancelled. Clear? Now, if I am writing here plus 6 and minus 6, and if I am writing here on adding, then plus 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled. Answer will be 0. Then I can write here on adding. Now the linear equation is, and why it is called a linear equation? Linear equation, this is I am writing 3x plus 5 is equal to 8. This is the linear equation in one variable. Why it is called a linear equation? Because if you plot a graph, then you will get a straight line. Line means linear equation. If you plot a graph of this line, you will get a straight line. It is linear equation. Now we have to study the linear equation in two variables. See how. If I am writing here x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. These are the two equations. And now I have to find the value of x and y. What is the equation? X plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. And now I have to solve the equation. What is the possibility of getting cancelled? Plus y minus y. If you are writing here on adding, then plus y minus y will get cancelled, and x plus x becomes 2x is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. So x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is the solution. And now you have to find the value of y. So on putting x is equal to 5. In any equation you can put, no problem. You can put in the first equation x plus y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 5. So in place of x you can put here 5. So 5 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 5. So y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. It means what is the solution? X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. Now you can check the solution by yourself. Put here x plus y equal to 6. X is 5 and y is 1. 5 plus 1 means 6 is equal to 6. Now somebody can tell me, sir, I don't want to cancel y. What is your solution? X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. And somebody is telling me, sir, I don't want to cancel y. I want to cancel x. Then how we will do? Let us see how. This is plus y and this is minus y. And somebody is asking me, sir, I don't want to cancel y. I want to cancel x. But what is the sign of x here? Positive. What is the coefficient of x? Plus 1. What is the coefficient of x here? Plus 1. Okay. Now I want to cancel x. But this is positive, this is positive. And if I am writing here on adding, then x plus x becomes 2x. And now I want to cancel the x. So what I will do here? On subtracting. On subtracting means the sign will get changed. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus. Okay. Now plus x minus x cancel. So 2y, y plus y, because the sign of y is positive now. Y plus y, 2y is equal to 6 minus 4 means 2. So y is equal to 2 upon 2. So y is equal to 1. Same thing you got here, y is equal to 1. Now you can find the value of x. X plus y is equal to 6. In place of y you can put here 1. So x plus 1 is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 minus 1. X is equal to 5. The same solution you got. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. I hope this is clear to you now. This is called the linear equation in two variables. Now one more question I am taking. Three x plus 4y is equal to 8 and 2x minus 4y is equal to 7. These are the equations. 3x plus 4y equal to 8 and 3x minus 4y equal to 7. Now you have to solve the linear equation. It means you have to find the value of x and y. Now first you see what is the possibility of getting cancelled. Plus 4y and this is minus 4y. You can cancel this number. What you will write here? On adding. On adding. On adding means plus 4y minus 4y will get cancelled. 3x plus 2x, 5x is equal to 8 plus 7, 15. So x is equal to 15 upon 5. So x is equal to 3. Now you got x is equal to 3. You can put in first equation or you can put in the second equation. Now I am going to put in the second equation. Let us see how. 2x minus 4y equal to 7. In place of x you can put here 3. So 2 into 3 minus 4y is equal to 7. So 3 to the 6 minus 4y equal to 7. Minus 4y is equal to 7 minus 6. Minus 4y is equal to 1. So y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Y is equal to minus 1 by 4. And this is your answer. Clear? Y is equal to minus 1 by 4 and x is equal to 3. Just you put here. In place of x you can put here 3. So 3 3s are 9. In place of y you can put minus 1 by 4. So 4 cancel, minus 1. So 9 minus 1 means 8. It means our solution is right. Okay. These are the equation in two variables. Now this method is called method of elimination. Okay. Let us see. If I am writing 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y is equal to 7. These are the two equations. And now somebody is telling me, sir, I want to cancel x. Here if you are writing here on adding, the plus 3y and minus 3y will get cancelled. But somebody asked me, no sir, I want to cancel x. But here the coefficients are not same. So what you can do, you can make the coefficients same. Then you can ask me, sir, how to make them same? See, simple. Just here, forget the sign. Just you here multiply by 3, this equation. And here you can multiply by 2. And see the coefficient becomes same. 3 to the 6x plus 9y is equal to 24. And 6x minus 6y is equal to 14. Clear? Now here again you are getting 6x positive. Here the sign is positive. Here the sign is positive. If you are adding them, they cannot cancel. We have to cancel them. Now what you will write here? On subtracting. On subtracting. So this becomes minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus. These two terms get cancelled. 9 plus 6, 15y is equal to 24 minus 14. It means 10. So y is equal to 10 upon 15. So 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15. The value of y is 2 by 3. Now you can find the value of x. Let us see how. Y is equal to 2 by 3. Now you can find the value of x. Y is equal to 2 by 3. You can put in this equation. It means 2x plus 3 into 2 by 3 is equal to 8. This is sign of multiplication. 3 into 2 by 3. These 3 and these 3 will cancel. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 2. So 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 2. So x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. If you put x is equal to 3 here, x is equal to 3 and the y is equal to 2 by 3. If you put x equal to 3 here, 3 to the 6 plus 3 into y is 2 by 3. 3 3 cancel. 6 plus 2 means 8. So our answer is right. Clear? This is called the method of elimination. Elimination means you are going to eliminate either x or y. Choice is yours. You can find the value of x first, then you have to find the value of y. Or you can find the value of y first, then find the value of x. Okay, now one more question. X plus 3y is equal to 4 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 2. These are the equations. X plus 3y equal to 4 and 2x minus 3y equal to 2. Now, if you are writing here on adding, then plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. 2x plus x becomes 3x. 3x is equal to 4 plus 2 means 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 3. X is equal to 2. Okay, it is easy to find if you cancel here y on adding. But I don't want to cancel y. I want to cancel x. But the coefficients are not same. So I can make them same. See how? Here multiply by 2. Here multiply by 1. Let us see how. 2 into x, 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. And 2x minus 3y is equal to 2. Okay. Now, this is plus 2x plus 2x. You cannot cancel them. Here you have to write on subtracting. These become minus, plus become minus, minus become plus. and this become minus. These cancel. 6y minus 6y plus 3y means 9y. 9y equal to 8 minus 2 means 6. So y is equal to 2 by 3. Y is equal to 2 by 3. Now you can find the value of x. Let us see how. So x plus 3 into 2 by 3 is equal to 4. 3 cancel. So x plus 2 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 minus 2. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 by 3. This is the solution. Now check. X is equal to 2. Put here 2 plus 3 into y is 2 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. 2 plus 2, 4. So our answer is right. This is called the method of elimination. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day. Now in my next lecture, you will get the next method of substitution. Okay, have a nice day.